Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to our channel. I'm Tim from Chasing the Joneses, and today we're dealing with, yes, the bathroom stuff. And what we're specifically dealing with is the shower area. And as you know, as part-time RVers, weekenders, vacationers, even full-time RVers like us, the shower can be a problem, especially what do you do with the shampoos, what do you do with the soaps, what do you do with the body washes, what do you do with all that stuff? And if you're like us, you know, I have mine and my wife has hers, and and so we have a double the trouble, if you will. And I believe that every RVer has this significant problem in their shower, and we're always trying to find ways to do it. Now, I know some people are always trying to put them in boxes. That's the first thing that we did, right? We put them in a box when we were traveling, and eventually more stuff ended up inside that box, and so it became a problem for us. So we had to figure out another way to do it. So we bought one of those tall, what I would call a shower caddy. It has a different shelves on it. We stuck that into our shower, but really that's kind of cumbersome because when you're showering, we don't have a lot of room in there, and sometimes you end up hitting that top shelf and it pops off and stuff flows all over, and then of course my wife or myself will yell, "Are you okay in there?" We're just kind of tired of it. Now, we've been contacted by Safoner to do a review on this RV shower corner storage bar. That before we brought you this product, we wanted to test it out. And so one of the things that we did is we took the RV shower corner bar and we actually installed it ourselves. It was very simple. I'll tell you that here in a little bit. But the thing is that we used it and we went on a couple of trips with it to make sure that it stayed in place, to make sure that the adhesive didn't bounce off, to make sure that we took a couple of showers where it would stay in place and stay connected to the shower wall. And guess what? It did it. It did it. So today we're going to show you how to install the second one that we have. But let me just tell you a little bit more about the product. When you're unboxing the product, it comes in a small box like this. It's not very big. There's two of these corner storage bars, and if you notice that they are actually adjustable, 7 to 13 inches, so it doesn't matter what kind of shelf you have, what size it is, it will adjust to that. It also has these right here, these turning hinges, and so that will adjust to any corner that you will have in your shower. So it's like a one-size-fits-all corner shower storage bar, and it is fantastic. It's also made from stainless steel, so it is corrosion resistant, and it's built to withstand the changing environments that we go into with humidity and low humidity, high humidity, depending on where you at or where you travel in your RV. Another thing I like about this is the shower corner storage bar is simple to install. That's right, it's simple to install, and all you have to do is have a flat area on your shower, and you peel off, you wash it with water, you peel these two off, you set it in place, and it'll stick right there. The adhesive does the rest. That's right, the adhesive does the rest. It's really good adhesive. Like I said, we've traveled twice with it. So today I want to take you and just kind of show you how simple it is to install the shower corner storage bar. It's so simple, anyone can do it. All right, so here we are. We're going to go ahead and do this. Now, I've already washed this with water and dried it off. It's completely dry. And you see, we don't have a lot of space here, especially if you put something up there, it's going to fall off, even if we're just staying here and walking into the shower probably. And what this has, it has these little tabs right here to pull off the backing, and you simply just pull off the backing on both sides. And then you want to go ahead and place one side on first, and I'm going to place it right here on this flat surface, and then I'm going to stretch it. See how this stretches right here? I'm going to stretch it to that corner right there, and I'm going to press it on. Now we're going to wait 24 hours before we even use this, just so it will get really dry and stick real good. Well, that's the RV shower corner storage bar by Safoner. Now, remember, you get an extra 5% off when you purchase it through this video. So I'm going to give a description down below for you to be able to do that. Also, I will send you the link to buy it as well. So I'll put that in the description down below. And a simple process, a great solution for everything that we need in this shower. But we have even more for you today. Click right up here in this area right here and click on the RV playlist that we have there and watch all of our videos of how to fix things and how to upgrade things. And we got some super videos coming out. So don't forget, subscribe, like the channel, and share it to your friends. We'll see you next time.